Here we divide 721 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down these 2 and it is 22. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 721 divided by 5 is 144.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.